What happens to my recycling? Let's hear the real story behind how glass, metal, plastic, paper, and cardboard is processed right here in Ottawa. The more you know about recycling and how it works, the better you can sort the items. Blue and black bins are collected on alternating weeks. On average, each recycling truck makes 1,100 stops a day. Trucks are weighed when entering the recycling facility. Loads are then tipped into a holding area. 86 trucks unload glass, metal, plastic, paper, and cardboard daily. More than 93 tons of blue bin material and 142 tons of black bin material is processed every day. At the blue bin processing facility, material flows up the conveyor belt. The metering drum controls the flow of material. As we go through the process, you will see machines using movement, weight, electricity, magnets, air, and infrared to sort. On the pre-sort line, workers open bags and remove garbage, bulky plastic, and scrap metal. The ballistic separator removes two-dimensional items like film plastic from the system. Unacceptable items like plastic bags end up at the landfill site. The recyclables then travel up to the drum magnet. This spinning magnet captures tin cans and other metals and drops them onto a conveyor belt. All materials other than metal and glass flow down the conveyor belt towards two optical sorters. Infrared sensors identify the different types of plastic. Plastics are blown by air jets into the appropriate chutes. These sorters are used to separate the following containers: number 1 plastics, number 2 plastics, cartons, and number 3 to 5 plastics. Workers at quality control stations remove any leftover non-recyclable items. The remaining materials continue on for manual sorting. The eddy current separator puts an electrical charge into aluminum cans, and a magnet propels the cans onto a separate belt. Finally, another optical sorter captures materials that were missed by the process and sends them back for another round of sorting. Contamination is material not acceptable in the blue or black bin program. These items are sent to the landfill. A baler crushes various materials into cubes for easy shipping. Bales of steel such as tin cans and gable such as milk cartons. Bales are inspected for quality before they are shipped. Let's go over how we separate the paper and cardboard from your black bin. Once again, material is loaded onto a conveyor belt, and a metering drum controls the amount of material entering the facility. A disc screener sorts the large cardboard from the rest of the material. The cardboard then travels directly on a conveyor belt to a baler. The remaining material is moved on two parallel conveyor belts to the main sorting room. Workers pull off the boxboard and any leftover cardboard for recycling. Garbage is also removed. These materials are dropped into the appropriate bunkers directly below the main sort room. The only remaining material is paper, which falls off the conveyor belts into its own bunker. Garbage removed from the recycling is transported to landfill. Material is then moved from the bunkers for baling. Paper, boxboard, and cardboard is baled for shipping to market. Each bale can weigh up to 700 kilograms. The material is made into new products. Number 1 bottles are transformed into fleece, t-shirts, and parkas. Number 2 plastics like laundry detergent bottles and shampoo bottles are transformed into water pipes, culverts, and more number 2 bottles. Mixed plastics like plastic tub lids are transformed into plastic lumber, playground equipment, and park benches. Aluminum like soft drink cans are transformed into aluminum sheeting for automobiles, and more aluminum cans. Glass bottles and jars get transformed into road construction materials, and steel soup cans get transformed into chains, piping, household appliances, and automotive parts. Milk and juice boxes get transformed into paper towels, paper trays, cardboard, and tissues. Old corrugated cardboard is transformed into more corrugated cardboard. Paper is transformed into paper and insulation. Boxboard is transformed into cereal and cracker boxes. Not sure where to dispose of a household item? Visit ottawa.ca/wasteexplorer.